Hello, people. This is the first time here. Welcome. This is my channel, and it's a series of video tutorials for students who want to get better score in the TOEFL test. Right now, working with written expression, structured written expression, and specifically with adjectives. And I'm going to work with skill 50. Says use predicate adjectives correctly. Okay. Certain adjectives appear only in the predicate of the sentence. That is, they appear after a linking verb such as be, and they cannot appear directly in front of the nouns that they describe. For example, the snake on the rock was alive. In this example, the predicate alive is used correctly after the linking verb was to describe the snake. The alive snake was lying on the rock. In the second example, the predicate adjective alive is used incorrectly in front of the noun snake. In this position, the adjective live should be used. Here is a chart that lists some common predicate adjectives after the corresponding form that can be used in front of the noun. All right, so we have predicate adjectives: alike, alive, alone, afraid, asleep. So they're going to be after the linking verbs, you know, like you look alive, you seem alive, you sound alive. Okay. These forms are used for a noun, you know, like in a like manner, in a similar manner. The live show, the lone person, the frightened individual, the sleeping person. So a predicate adjective appears after a linking verb such as the verb be, the verb feel, look, seem, sound, appears. It cannot appear directly from the noun that it describes. So be careful with that. All right. Now, let's do the exercise. Each of the following sentences contains predicate adjective or its related form. I'm going to circle these adjectives and indicate the sense are correct or incorrect. Sample. Number one, the two brothers do not look at all alike. All right, so this is a linking verb. All right, they don't look alike. It's the adjective here. So this is fine. My friend brought me the alive lobster to my house, right? And expected me to cook it. So this is not a linking verb. This is an action verb. And the adjective should be live. You know, my friend brought me the live lobster to my house and expected me to cook it. So now it's time for you to pause the video and try to complete the exercise. And when you finish, you come back and look at the results. So number 3, are you going to be alone in the house tonight? Right? Is this after the verb be, right, which is a linking verb? So this is incorrect. It should be alone. Are you going to be alone? The afraid child cried for his mother. Right? So this is the noun, and this is the adjective, but this should be after a linking verb. So it should be the frightened child. Number 5, everyone else was asleep by the time I arrived home, right? So this is after the linking verb be. So this is fine. We completed the 2 projects in a like manner. All right, this is the noun, this is the adjective like. So this is fine. All of the crash victims were alive when they were found, right? So after the linking verb be, we got this adjective here, which is fine. She tried to walk quietly by the asleep dogs without waking them. My dogs is the noun. This is the adjective, but this adjective only comes after the linking verb. So this is incorrect. It should be the sleeping dogs. Were you feeling afraid? when you heard the noise, right? Feel is a linking verb. So this is fine. I'm going to report the president was shot by an alone gunman. Right. So even though alone is an adjective, this is an adjective that only comes after linking verbs. There's no linking verb here. So this is incorrect. It should be lone. According to the report, the president was shot by a lone gunman. All right, so look at the answers and look what you did. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. Remember, if you like this content, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to the channel so you get bigger and stronger. And if you know anyone that can benefit from a series of tutorials that are free and available for you on YouTube, please share it with them. It's just for everybody. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.